Occipital-cervical fusion is a rare procedure, but it might be necessary in some cases. As this is a very disabling procedure for the patient, it needs to be planned properly. The most important thing is the position of the head. So the patient is neither forced to look at the sky all the time nor at the tip of his toes. As you can see in the animation, you have the option of applying a variable collar in advance. If you distract too much, the patient will look straight upwards. If you distract too low, the patient is forced to look at the tip of his toes and is not able to see where he's walking. So you have to find the proper position where the patient can see as well where he is going as the tip of his toes. Do this preoperatively on the awake patient that is still able to walk, and then leave the collar in place until draping. After finishing positioning on prone position, then remove the collar and start draping.